year in August, we hold our pre-K graduations to celebrate all of our preschoolers transitioning into kindergarten. The kids are so excited to dance and sing and perform in front of their parents and say what they want to be when they grow up in Spanish. So they get to show off those bilingual skills and also build their self-esteem.
We're really happy that they've grown so much since they were babies to now. It has been a journey. We have cared, loved, and guided them. They're very fluent. They speak Spanish with us, and parents are super surprised that they can keep up a conversation.
Over the past few years, I have seen Sophie's language and comprehension develop so much. Our experience at Casa has meant so much to us. I knew from the moment that I toured Casa that it was the right place for us. Seeing my child graduate is definitely bittersweet. When I come to pick Sophie up, she tells me that I'm there too early. So I know she just loves it, and that's the best feeling in the world as a parent.
Sometimes at graduation, the parents and other family members can get really emotional. It's hard to let go of a family that they've been part of for 5 whole years in many cases.
What were your emotions as your child was graduating in there?
Oh gosh, you're gonna make me cry right now. But I'm so proud of him and the class and the teachers and what Casa has done for Theo.
Just watching how much joy, he loves singing and they foster that, and that's when I started crying when he was singing Casa de Corazón and doing all the dance moves and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah, we're listening to Spanish music, I'm trying to practice my Spanish and he's correcting my pronunciation.
Yeah. They've set him up with such a strong foundation and fluency. They give him such confidence. He doesn't even think twice about speaking in Spanish.
I'm gonna miss Casa for him.
We will miss Casa for him, yeah.
Yeah, I do cry. At graduation, I do cry. I start having all these emotions, and when the day comes, I'm gonna start crying and missing them already because they're babies. And now it's they're grown.
We are basically sending them off into the world as these bilingual, empathetic, confident, amazing children that have received this healthy and intercultural foundation. It's really such a well-rounded education. We're so thrilled to be seeing our graduates ready for kindergarten and beyond.